Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I am so excited about this video. Okay, I have been testing out this product, you guys, for months now. Let me tell you, if you read the title, it's exactly what it says. The best professional whitening system from home that I've ever tried. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm so glad I'm finally being able to bring it to you guys. So loves, the product I'm going to be talking about today is from Smile Brilliant. You may have heard of Smile Brilliant. If you have not, they're definitely a well-known brand and company. You may have seen the ads on Instagram and Facebook. It's so much information out there on them because they are a legitimate company. You can definitely go look them up and check them out. I'll make sure I leave their website here down below in the description box. But they reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in whitening my teeth, and I'm like, yeah. Like, who does not want to whiten their teeth? In the past, I have done whitening, like whitening teeth systems, more like the scripts, you know, the ones like you peel the script off and you put it over your teeth. I've done that, and then I have used like whitening toothpaste. Y'all gonna hear me correcting it this whole video. I'm gonna try, but I cannot say that word. I've used like whitening toothpaste to whiten my teeth. I think it's very important. I'm one of those people who has like resting bitch face, I ain't gonna lie. But when I do smile, of course I want my smile to be nice, bright, and white. And as a photographer, you guys, I encounter so many times I have to whiten teeth on pictures. Pretty much all of my pictures, whether it's because of, you know, the person or the lighting itself from the outside, I do always touch upon teeth. So I think it's very important that you do take some time to take out for your teeth, you know what I'm saying, and take some extra time. And this program, this system, y'all, in my opinion, it's the best like professional home system because it like real legit. So I'm so excited to tell you about it. On the screen here, you will see video clips of me showing you the product, how it looks when I first got it here. This is the box Smile Brilliant. It is a whole entire system, you guys. They have you equipped like to get the job done, you know what I'm saying? And I truly appreciate that. So it was a pleasure trying this product. I have been using this now I've had it for a while, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe three months now, and I'm still using it, and I still love it, and I still have product, so I'm very excited about that. So let's go ahead and get into the review. So as I stated, there will be demos and showing you how this product works, so I'll be talking along with it. So the product, like I said, it comes in this box here. It's a whole full kit, you guys. Like, when I tell you, this tells you everything that you need to do, everything you need to know. And then the customer service, because I'm big on customer service, it's freaking awesome if you have any additional things that you need to know about, because I do have sensitive teeth, so there was some modifications that I needed to make this work for me, but it definitely worked out wonderful for me, and I'm happy with my results. What I love about this, what makes it much better for me than like the scripts that I used to use on my teeth, is it actually allows you to make a mold to your teeth. I was so excited when I got this freaking mold, you guys. I'm gonna also put down below the vlog video. I do vlog on my other channel, MissRessaTTV. So if you're watching me over there, you've actually seen me when I first got this, making the mold, milling it off, getting it back, doing whitening sessions. Like, you've seen me use this all along. I have truly used this product, okay? So this is something I will be recommending, I can say off the bat, to my photography clients, especially at my brides. Already my brides that I had for 2019 set up, my brides, and not just the brides, you guys, the men, bridesmaid, anybody. I recommend everybody to whiten their teeth, especially if you know you're going to be in front of a professional camera, HD, getting video and photography done. So I will already, I wanted to get this review up, and then I'm definitely going to be recommending this to those clients because they have much more time to go ahead and get started on this. But doesn't take long to see results at all. So I got the trays back, and I want to say maybe two or 3 weeks. And then I began using the system. So you have directions that come in the actual packaging that tells you what to do for each of them, how to open them, how much to put on there, where to put it on your teeth, and all this good stuff. Like I said, and customer service is absolutely great with this company. The lady that I was speaking with was so helpful, because I did have some irritation because I do have sensitive teeth. All my teeth are sensitive, like my canines are sensitive. So I gave me some great tips about, you know, putting Vaseline maybe on my gums to help with those. And as you can see in the demo, you guys, I don't want this to be a long video. I just want you guys to know that I really did like this product. So even after my very first session, I kid y'all, no lie, my first session, I saw results in my teeth. No lie. Okay, now I will say you do have to continuously use this product, because I did see, like, okay, when I maybe went a week without doing it, a week or two, okay, it's not as white. So it's something I definitely would recommend. It's so easy to use. It's very good. It doesn't interfere with your everyday life, which I love. You guys know that I work from home, so here in my house I can still do everything I need to do while walking around with the trays on my mouth. It doesn't restrict me from doing anything, and it just fits right along with my lifestyle. So like I said, I will recommend this product. I think my results are awesome, and I think my teeth look great. And now I'm looking at my mouth like I really want braces now. Like, my teeth are white. This is the whitest they've ever been. And like I said, I've always, even back to high school, I started using the scripts back in high school. I've always, I don't know, I think white teeth is very important. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, I'm trying to think of anything else I wanted to tell you guys in this review. I don't know. If there's anything, other questions that you guys may have, definitely leave them down in the description box below. There is a giveaway, you guys. Y'all, Smile Brilliant was so nice enough to be able to offer for one of you guys. We'll get a free kit. This is the free kit. You will, well, if you win the giveaway, it's a free kit. The full kit, so you'll get the whitening gel, the desensitive gel, the trays. You do get postage for you to mail off your trays and mail those back. All that's included in the giveaway, and it's also included the packaging, shipping. Talk, Karessa, is included in the actual. If you buy the kit itself, you don't pay extra to ship them off your trays and get them back, if you get what I'm saying. So anyways, there will be a giveaway, you guys. So I will have a link in the description box for you guys to win a kit from Smile Brilliant. I'm excited about it because I think you're gonna love it, and I truly enjoyed this product. Even if you don't win the giveaway, there will be discounts and coupons. I will have a coupon code here that I'll put on the screen somewhere for you guys if you just want to go ahead and check it out and get it. If you don't win the giveaway, or you just want to go ahead and buy it, you can use my discount code to do it. And yeah, I think that's it, you guys. That wraps up the video. Definitely it's part of your appearance. Just like I put on makeup and I do my hair, making sure my teeth are in excellent condition as far as whitening, because y'all, I need to go to the dentist. But making sure my smile is beautiful, because your smile is definitely part of your outfit and your put together. I appreciate Smile Brilliant for hitting up your girl. I appreciate it very much to be able to have this opportunity. I'm so excited to still have this product, and I will continue to use it in the future. So that's it for your girl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, any questions, leave them down below. And until next time, it's me, your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record it, then share, y'all. Smooches. Hey loves, quick pop back in to remind you to subscribe and to thumbs up this video. Follow me on all my social media networks, and check out my previous videos here on this channel, and check out my vlog channel. Smooches.